So here's the problem. You're leading a team of developers, or you have an idea for an app, but you don't know where to get started. Maybe you want to learn to code a little bit yourself, but learning is scary and awkward. This class is for you. Developing something doesn't just involve a developer. There's a lot of other people involved. And so we're going to look at those roles, and we're going to see who do we need. We'll look at planning a large site, content strategy, and answer questions like, what's the difference between front end and back end, using real life examples. So why are there so many languages, and how do you choose which one's right for you? We'll go into the difference between PHP versus Ruby, for example, as well as look at some options for mobile and responsive. Finally, after looking at all the languages, we'll choose 3 to code in ourselves. Essentially some kind of line like this in the head of the site, and so that Facebook reads it and they go, what is this user's name? And this is Chris, right? Or this is Christopher. And then they just have to declare that one time, and then every other page gets updated immediately. It would be ridiculous if you had to go update that in thousands of pages. I mean, it just wouldn't even work. This course is the composite of hundreds of hours of research with developers and startups and my own experience over 13 years developing digital products. I've even run the course over 70 times in just the past year, and I've gotten some pretty good feedback. The class blog is at pfnp.me, that's programmingfornonprogrammers.me. And here I've provided just a bunch of books and videos that I'd recommend as next steps, as well as like, what's my favorite hosting, what's my favorite tutorials. These are a lot of questions that I get. And so I've posted them all on there. You can check that out now. And if you have any questions, submit them. You can submit them to me at Castig on Twitter. I'll try my best to answer them personally. And if I see that there's a question that's trending, or a few people are asking that I think's a good one, I'll make a blog post out of it and put it on the site. So this is where you can reach me. You can also stay updated on my classes at General Assembly in New York City and at various cities around the country, as well as more upcoming videos and tutorials that I'll be writing. So stay in touch there, get on the news list, or subscribe via Facebook, and I hope to see you in class.